Everyone, this is Shirley, and this is Jamming with Yarn. This is a quick one. This is deliberate cooking. You guys know a few months ago, maybe a year ago, I had made the mud cakes, and so I decided to make one today. But along with it, I decided to take it out of the cake, out of the mug, and see what it looked like. My hands are clean, but I wash them anyway for the satisfaction of those who feel a little funny. I just want to welcome you guys. This is a little short one. So I took it out. This is what it looked like. But on this side, it has like a big gap, okay? But it's done. You have to excuse the light because I don't have all the lighting on. So then I made some frosting a few minutes ago. And this frosting is by Shelly. I'll put her information below. It was really quick. Instead I used like 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, where she was using a lot more, but I was adding my sugar along as I go. And you know what? It tastes pretty good. Look at that. It's a buttercream. Let's see how. I'm not a cake decorator. I leave that work up to Moonfire Craft. She does excellent work on what is that, on Instagram, so go check her out. Most of you guys who watch me know her because I have the same followers. I have actually gained a few from Llama Mama. Thank you, Llama Mama, for giving me a shout out. I do appreciate it. I am working on my sweater. I need to show you guys that. I changed yarns. Somehow, I don't know, somehow I got a little bit confused. You guys, if you guys knew what was going on in my world, then you would understand why I've just been like, not a mess. I think I'm the best I've ever been. I know I'm the best I've ever been. Excuse me. But so much has been going on in my life that's been out of my control, but it's affecting me. And it's been affecting, like I don't know. I just do stuff and I haven't really, excuse my throat, do stuff and haven't really, moving too fast and you forget where you sit something. Like, I have my favorite spoons, measuring spoons. That's okay. There we go. What do you guys think? Okay. It's edible. Ooh, these sprinkles. Ooh, let's see. Add a little more sprinkles. And here we go, y'all. Should I throw some on the side? Let's see if that works. I don't know how they do that. Oh, yeah, I do. Let me try. One more time. That was fun. Anyway, that was a quick, this is a quick mug cake, and thank you for coming by. Love you guys very much. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.